Hello, this is Mark Cook at Dalinghaus Construction and welcome to beautiful San Clemente. We have great weather here and there's a lot of foundation problems. So today, Justin and I stopped by the house on a high profile area in San Clemente on a slope over a golf course. We've actually done about 4 or 5 houses on this street, but this particular one, we are working with an investor. His name's Takis Bilios, and he bought this house and it was in complete shambles. So you wouldn't recognize it from now because of the transformation, but let's take a look inside and I'll show you how bad this place was. It was almost like a drug house, and there was graffiti everywhere and major cracks, and this place was down almost 15 inches. So let's go take a look inside. So during my initial inspection, you have to understand what this place looked like. There was none of the landscaping. This place was just in complete shambles. So what I did is walked in this house and I was on my own. I think I have a video that maybe Justin could splice into this video to show you the different transformation this place has taken. In some of that old video, there's some of the graffiti that was there, and if you'll remember, graffiti was everywhere around here. So when I walked in here, I did feel an immediate drop, and right in here there was a massive crack in the slab, probably that wide, and in the roof. So this house was literally cracking in half. This is one of the houses I tell a lot of my current clients about because of what we did to it. And we were able to get a lot of recovery, almost probably 13 to 15 inches. But during the process of the permitting process and the engineering, sometimes that takes a few months. But during my inspection and the time our crews started work, it actually settled 2 more inches. So that's pretty astounding when you think about it, that within a 5-6 month time frame, it settled even more. So if we didn't do anything, imagine where it would be then. So as you see this, there was graffiti everywhere. There was drug paraphernalia. This was literally a party house where people would like break into at night. So when I initially walk into a house such as this, and I'm gonna do an assessment, I walked through the house, and this one, I felt like I was falling. And it was really wild. And I guessed 10 inches, and it was 15 when I was here. I usually draw a floor plan on my iPad, and then I take the zip level and do a manometer survey. So that is just getting the elevations of the home. I find the highest point and I call that 0. This machine measures within tenths of inches. So then this actually was down about 12 inches towards the back and about 15 inches in the corner. So let's walk around and I'll show you the slope and why this actually happened. Before that, I want to show you something else. We did a phase 2 of this project, and just imagine only having about 6 feet width of a backyard, in 40 feet. So you're looking at just a very minimal backyard. And then you got this slope that goes down, and then there's a golf course underneath it. But we had an idea to extend the living space. So I want to show you what we were able to do with our new construction helical piers and our tiebacks. And then they were able to create this beautiful thing. So if you look here, the home or the backyard extended to about here. So we're looking at maybe 5-6 feet of backyard that they had previously. But with the design of the new construction helical piers and the tiebacks, look at this large living space, this beautiful area that was able to be created. So we can look at all these houses on these slopes. They could utilize something like that and really expand their living space. Thanks for watching, and thanks for visiting beautiful San Clemente with me. So We specialize in foundation repair, slope stabilization, and helping people gain valuable square footage to their home. So if you need our services, feel free to reach out.